Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust notifications for your Steam Deck. So to do this, first let's click on the Steam button, navigate to the settings, here locate the notifications, and now you can change any settings about the notifications coming for this device. So first are disable non-critical notifications, and if you enable it, you won't get a simple notifications like that the product is on sale or something like that. Hide non-critical notifications when in game, and if you really want to play games and have no disturbance from notifications, I would recommend using the settings. And now next things are friend notifications, and right here I usually disable all the sounds for each of these options. So when a friend joins a game, I want the sound to be disabled, as I have about 100 friends. Some people have more, and it's very annoying when you constantly hear all the sounds. You can also disable the visible notifications for it if you prefer. When a friend comes online, that's also no for the sound. When I receive a direct chat message, you might consider enabling it just not to miss any notification, and also enable visible notifications for it. When I received a chat room notifications, and personally I'm not using any chat rooms, but if you do, you can enable it, the sound and notifications as well. Group events and announcements, these are for some reason for me rare, and I actually enable sounds for it like this, and also leave notifications on. So that's my recommendations for all the notification settings, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.